Welcome to my channel Mom and Me Educational. In this video, we are going to learn about Hindi alphabet or Hindi Varnamala. Before I start with Hindi, first let me tell you one thing. Just like English alphabet, we can see there are two kinds of letters. 5 are vowels and rest of letters are called consonant. Same way, Hindi alphabet also has generally two kinds of letters like swar and vyanjan. Vowels are called in Hindi swar and consonants are called in Hindi vyanjan. Okay, so let's start. First we will learn about swar. Swar are very important, just like English vowels. So with this we can make words, new words. Okay, so these words are very important. There are 13 letters. So let's start. A, I, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, or Ang, Aha. Okay, so these are the swar or vowels. Okay, just you open your mouth little slightly. And you open your mouth fully. Say A. Next is E. Just say E. This is called in Hindi choti E or short E. This is E, badi E or long E. Okay, E. You give stress. E, U, choti U or short U, and this is called U, long U or badi U. Okay, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Aha. Okay, with this vowel we will make the symbols or matra later. Okay, today I am just introducing the letters only. Okay, the next part is vyanjan or consonants. Okay, so ka, kha, ga, gha, anga or wa, cha, cha, ja, jha, nya, ta, tha, da, dha, na. Okay, there are another r sound, r or r. Okay, when we pronounce this letter, we have to stress little h stress like pad. We are using this r when we writing sadak. Okay, so I will give example later. Today just I am introducing the letters. So listen carefully and learn carefully. After my Hindi videos, obviously I will tell each and everything very details. Okay, so next one, ta, tha, da, dha, na, pa, fa, ba, va, ma, ya, da, la, va, sha, ha, sa, tra, gya, sra. Okay, so I will tell you and show you the pronunciation of swar in English. A, I, U, Ri, E, I, O, Au, Aha or Ang, Aha. Why I am telling both the sound? Because whenever I show you the example, I will show you two kinds of sound like ambar. That time we are saying and sometimes we say angur. That time we are using ang sound. Okay, so both the sounds are correct. Okay, so for consonant or vyanjan, the sounds are k, kh. Little stress here. G, gh, va or anga. Okay, these 5 letters are called ka varga letters or ka group. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. These 5 are called cha varga or cha groups letters. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Okay, these 5 are called ta varga letters, and ta, tha, da, dha, na. These 5 are called ta varga letters. So there are a little bit difference between ta and ta. Okay, this is ta. If I am written in English, both are looking same, but the sound is different. Like this is ta, but this is ta. Okay, these two I think little bit confusing for the non-Hindi speaker. Ta, tha. Okay, da, dha. This is dha, but this is dha. Actually here we will put more stress, but here we should touch our tongue. That's the basic difference. Whenever we pronounce these 5 letters, we will touch our upper palate only. Ta, tha, da, dha, na. Okay, but when we pronounce these 5 letters, we should touch our teeth. Okay, children, that is the basic difference. Nobody tell you, but listen carefully. Whenever we pronounce these 5 letters, we should touch our teeth like ta, tha, da, dha, na. But whenever we pronounce these ta varga letters, that time we will touch our upper palate. Okay, so your tongue should touch in your palate like t, th, d, dh, na. Clear, children? So after that, these fives are called pa varga letter, like pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. This time we will touch our both the lips. Okay, both the lips touching each other. With me, you do pa, pha, ba, bha, ma. Touch with your lips. After that, these four letters are called antastha varga, ya, ra, la, va, ya, ra, la, va. And next one is sh, sa, ha. Whenever we pronounce these four letters, a warm air will come from our mouth. That's why these four letters are called ushma varga. Ushma means warmness. Okay. And the last part is Sangyukta Vyanjan. Sangyukta Vyanjan means conjunct consonant. There we can see two consonants are putting together. I will show and I will tell you obviously in my upcoming videos thoroughly. But today I am just going to introduce the letters. So listen carefully. These four are called conjunct consonant. There are two letters putting together. Okay. Sh, tra, gya, sra. Okay. So these are the swar and these are the vyanjan. Okay, children. So today, that's all for today's lesson. And next upcoming videos, obviously you will get the Hindi videos too. Okay, so bye.